Your eyes aren't deceiving you. This is just a plain piece of paper. But with the right lines and a single vanishing point, I can guide your gaze all the way to the top of these stairs. Today we'll learn how to draw this seemingly complex staircase neighborhood illustration from scratch using one-point perspective. Hello! Today we're taking our perspective drawing to the next level. Using one-point perspective, we'll create a neighborhood with a strong sense of depth, featuring a staircase running through the center. All we need is a fine-tipped ink pen. As you may have noticed, everything starts with that magic point. We determine the central point where the buildings meet. All our main lines converge on this point. When drawing the upper lines and lower boundaries of the buildings, we always stay true to that point. Stairs are often the most daunting part of perspective, but the secret is simple. Your horizontal lines should always be parallel, and your vertical lines should always be perpendicular. Lines leading into the depth should only point toward the vanishing point. As you add windows and projections to buildings, you will see how the street narrows. I'm adding a stray vine to the edge of the staircase. Such small details will turn into powerful metaphors as the painting progresses. Now moving on to street stairs. Stairs actually tell us a lot about the character of a street. Features like their width, narrowness, and construction materials. They summarize the socioeconomic situation of that area for us. Two separate staircases side by side may look a little strange, but just like in real life, oddities in drawings appear natural. Now let's draw the staircase narrowing as it goes up. Now, I can draw houses on the sides of the staircase. Who knows how many times a day the people living here use the staircase? As with most street staircases, I'm drawing a stair railing here. Perhaps an elderly man will climb up with support, or a young skateboarder will try to slide down. Now let's get into the details of this strange house, where the door and windows are shaped according to the mood of its tenants. As I continue drawing, I would like to thank everyone who has recently joined us and all art lovers who enjoy watching us. If you are new to drawing, it may seem difficult, but everything requires patience and effort. With time and perseverance, your drawings will improve day by day. If you're new to drawing at this stage and constantly using an eraser, I recommend a fountain pen for anyone who wants to improve their drawings. Never be afraid to make mistakes. Just add another line. If you hold the pen boldly, it will eventually obey you.